I picked up this small pack of plastic salad plates, 8 in a pack, and a pack of Dollar Tree napkins with a very pretty pattern. Then I have Modpodge and Dollar Tree paintbrush, sponge brush. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is decoupage these beautiful napkins onto our clear plates.
First, let me apologize for omitting the segment of me separating the napkin, which is your very first step. You are going to separate your printed pattern from the white backing and discard the white backing. Next, you're going to carefully cut around your floral pattern and then rip them into sections. We are going to overlap those sections so that your entire piece is covered with the floral pattern. Next, I apply an even layer of Mod Podge to my entire piece, making sure that the edges are well coated. And then I begin to lay down my napkin, overlapping the pieces and pushing them all the way till the end. Make sure you smooth them out to remove any air bubbles. Once your piece is completely covered, apply another even layer of Mod Podge over your entire piece to seal it and allow your piece to completely dry. I gave it overnight. Once everything is completely dry, come back in with a Dollar Tree sanding square to remove all the excess pieces of napkins. Sand down in one direction, and that will remove all of the excess and give your piece a nice finished look. Once that is completed, there we are, project complete. I hope you like this one. Let me know what you think in those comments. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today I'm participating in the 5 Under 5 DIY Challenge, hosted by Crafty Cove, Farm Charm Chic, and their guest Late Night Creations. Links will be in my description box below.
Brass wreath rings, but I'm only going to be using one of these. And the other item I'm going to use is this pink baby blanket, $1.25 a piece. I brought 3, hope it's enough. Okay, let's get started. So I folded it in half, and then I'm going to fold it in half once again. So now I have 4 pieces, and I'm going to take these pieces and I'm going to cut them into strips, about 2 inches or so. And it doesn't have to be exact. I'm just gonna make little notches here about where I want to cut. Okay, so I cut the first blanket into strips, and as you can see, they're not perfect, but that's not really going to make too much of a difference in the end game of the project. So what I'm doing is I'm taking them, and any place I have a finished edge, I'm just cutting that off. And then I'm going to even them, put them under, open up a loop, and put the 2 tails through it and pull. Okay, so let me show you that a couple of times so you'll get the hang of it. So it's basically just a slip knot. Cut off that finished edge, even them up, put it underneath. I take my finger and I slip it through. And then I take both tails and slip it through the knot. Just making a simple slip knot. And we're going to push them nice and close together. And we're going to continue this all the way around. A quarter of the way through, I realized that I really did not like that unfinished edge. So I started dovetailing them here And that's just simply cutting a notch. And if you're not familiar with dovetailing, let me just show you. I take both ends, I put them together, and then I fold them in half. And then I cut up on a diagonal. And that will take like a triangle notch from the bottom. Just like so. So I save yourself some time and some trouble, and go ahead and dovetail them before you start putting them onto your wreath. But I do like the way that's coming out. So I'm going to continue to work my way around, and I'll meet you back in a little bit. From the Dollar Tree, wax paper, a couple of Dollar Tree LED candles, and I'm going to continue to use the same napkin pattern. So I'm going to lay my napkin down on the candle, and line it up. And then take my wax paper and cover it. And then I'm going to use my iron. Paper napkin stuck beautifully and looks like it was purchased together. So there we have it. My next DIY. I'm creating a matching set. So I have here a Dollar Tree cylinder vase. I'm still working with the same napkins, decoupaging, and I'm going to decoupage the napkins onto the cylinder vase. Very simple, very easy. So, as you saw, I already separated the napkin from the white liner. And then I took the napkins and cut around the flowers and eliminated the white center. So now, I'm just going to come in with a little decoupage glue at the bottom, put in a nice layer. I'm going to lay down my napkin, making sure that it's nice and even.
If you're enjoying today's DIY projects, do me a favor and leave me a comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. I'm Courtney, and I love combining my passions for decorating DIYs in tablescapes by doing DIYs that work within my niche. So I hope you're enjoying today's video. If you are, give this video a big thumbs up and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Let me tell you something, honey. It's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now let's continue on.
For my next DIY, I picked up this wood bead wreath, round, but I want it to be a little bit more oval. So the wire inside is easily bendable, so I just bent it. And then I have this cross, also from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint this. Here I have some Folkart, and the color is Seashell pink. So that's the color I'm gonna use.
This project was super quick and easy. I gave all of my pieces a layer of pink paint. Off camera, I painted some Dollar Tree Jenga blocks that I had on hand as well to form a stand. Once everything was completely dry, I came back in with my napkin sections and decoupage my cross to match all of my other accessories. Then I put the jute holder back on and tied it to the top of my beaded wreath. I glued my Jenga blocks in place to make my piece stand on its own. And then I took some pink ribbon, formed a bow, and used it to cover my janky base. I hope you like this project. I think it makes a cute wreath or centerpiece for your table. I hope you enjoyed all the DIYs that I've put together for you today, and that they give you inspiration to create some DIY table decor for your springtime tablescape look. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.